What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on MDT Measurable data token, which has hit a huge green candlestick, which can only mean one thing guys. It has pumped up near about 40% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at 0.1147 cents, so near about hitting 12 cents in value. So we're going to be going through what is next for MDT. Is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to take a little bit of a step back, or is it going to stabilize around its current price range? But as you guys can see, since about mid-January, it has been gaining an insane amount of value. So we are also going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at, is this a crypto to be investing into right now? Is it too late? Have we missed the boat? Or if you're on a profit, is now the right time to sell it and take out your profits, or should you hold on to it before it pumps up even higher, potentially heading to around 20-30 cents later on this year? And as you guys would have figured out, we are also going to cover the prediction over the short term and over the long term in 2024. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of MDT, which is here in purple, at just over 8 cents. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in red, meaning it is performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction, meaning minimal gains in value are expected from MDT over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, the crypto should have essentially gone past the 12 cents target, potentially heading to around 13 cents is what I'm expecting by the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. So do expect more green candles to follow. However, in between that time, I am expecting it to hit red candles in between as well, taking a little bit of a step back in value. So do expect it to be quite volatile, but the overall outcome does seem to be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. Now, moving on to the hourly chart over the next couple of days, what can we see here? So still looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and they're not looking too steep either. So over the next 7 to 8 days guys, by mid to end of next week, I'm again expecting MDT to have gone for an overall increase in value, potentially heading to over 15 cents in value is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at. However, in between that time, I'm also expecting it to go for a little bit of a price correction, dropping down below the 10 cents value towards the end of this week, early next week, and then slowly starting to gain value again to around 14 to 15 cents by mid to end of next week is what my expectations are at the moment. However, if there are any changes to that, I will of course keep you guys updated on as much as I can. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So moving on to the daily chart now over the next couple of weeks. Now we're looking a little bit too steep compared to the previous chart. As you guys can see, both the blue and the orange line are looking very bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and looking quite steep as well, meaning this is not realistic, because according to the graph, an overall major increase in value is what is expected over the coming weeks. However, I'm not expecting that by mid to late, well, after mid-March, between mid and late March, I'm expecting MDT to go for a price correction, dropping down to around 7 to 8 cents in value here, and then slowly starting to gain value for the rest of March, April and May. So late April, early May, the crypto should be trading around 16 to 17 cents in value is what my expectations are at the moment. However guys, the crypto market has been a little bit shaky, especially with the Bitcoin halving coming on in April. This should have a major impact, not just on MDT or Bitcoin, but the crypto market in general, which I will of course keep you guys updated on as much as I can. So again, make sure you guys stay subscribed. So let's bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we are trading in the top tier level right now. So once it does go for a price correction, it should drop back down into the blue zone, as I mentioned earlier on, between 7 and 8 cents in value, and then slowly starting to gain value, heading into the top tier level once again, heading around 16 to 17 cents in April, May is what my expectations are at the moment. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, the trading volume has gone up over 320% in the last 24 hours, making it over $88 million in trading, guys, which is a huge increase in trading. Reason is, of course, it is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours, as you guys can see here, second top gainer. So it is getting a lot of attention right now and a lot of hype around it, meaning more and more people are starting to trade the crypto from both buyers and sellers point of view, and which in return is also helping the value of MDT pump up higher than where it is at the moment. So over the week it has gained near about 50%, and over the month a massive 113% increase, guys, going from just about 5 cents all the way up to 11 cents right now, and I'm forecasting it to hit another 15 to 16 cents up over the coming weeks as well, which should have a lot of attention around the crypto, and the trading volume will also go up like crazy. So can MDT essentially hit 50 cents in 2024? 50 cents for myself is personally quite of a push, especially that it's only at 11 cents right now. But it is possible depending on how the crypto market performs with pumps and crashes and so on. But towards the very end of the year or early next year is when I'm expecting MDT to be hitting the 50 cents target, because we are going to have to give it enough time for it to slowly and steadily increase in value. Let me know in the comment section down below, how high are you guys expecting MDT to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.